Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from video using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to open the project I have just created. Wait, okay, this is my project and I'm going to remove the text from my video. Okay, I'm going to duplicate my video guys. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select my video and I'm going to go to the duplicate menu and I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to click on overlay and we can make it align with the first video. And after that, we're going to use mask to cover the text. You can select the second video and then go to the mask option. Wait, where is it? Just go to the mask. Okay, it's right here. And I'm going to use this circle mask. For the shape of the mask, you can choose the mask according to the object that you want to cover or the text that you want to cover. And I prefer using this circle mask. Okay, you can take another part of the video to cover the unwanted text. I'm going to tap on that and we can use the mask to remove the text just like this. And to make it more natural, I'm going to adjust the feather. We can customize the feather here. Okay, click on the check mark and it looks better, right? You can also apply adjustment. For example, you can adjust the brightness or the filter. I'm going to go to adjust and here we can adjust the brightness. Okay, I'm going to increase it just a little bit and now it's perfect. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. And I know guys, this trick cannot be applied to all types of video, especially when you have complicated background. It will be more difficult to cover the text. For this video, it's easier because the background is clear, so it's easier for us to cover it. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove text from your video using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.